an Ipsy box came, and all three cats think it's for them. What's in that? What's in that box?
It has my name on it, Ipsy. But her name isn't Ipsy, it's Gypsy.
They just spelled your name incorrectly, Gypsy. It's fine. We'll have to open it up and see what's in there. So we got this beautiful Ipsy box that was sent to us. We got to see what's in it. Bella thinks it's for her. She's going to help. Looks like we got some roller lash by Benefit. It says it's super curling and lifting mascara. It's a roller for your lashes. The instant curve setting formula holds for 12 hours while the hook and roll brush grabs separates and lifts the curls. So, Craven Curl, Dream Curls. And then it has some little bit of facts on here. You open it up, it says, laughter is the best cosmetic. So the tube is a nice size. It's a full size, and it has like a rubber handle. Here's what the brush looks like. It is curved. It's not a straight brush. And it's very fine. We got two real big lithe brushes.
Hello. We want to do a little street side interview with these two neighborhood cats. What do you have to say? Hello.
Do you have anything to say?
Do you have anything to say for the camera?
Do you have anything to say in the camera?
She wants to speak in your microphone.
You want to use my microphone?
Here, come on. What do you have to say?
So,
She's scary.
oh, she fall down.
Hello, kitty cat?
So this is a tapered powder brush. She's doing a little interview with hers.
How do you feel about living here? Do you feel like it would be better if you got more treats?
I'm just not even going to answer. They come with little netting over the top of them. You just pull that off. And now you can see the nice taper and Gypsy right there, because she thinks Ipsy is for Gypsy. They're very full and very soft brushes. Ooh, they're really soft.
She likes it.
And this is a bronzer brush. So you just pull the netting right off of that. Very floofy, very soft, very full brushes. Gypsy thinks they're for her. Do you need beautiful bronzer, Gypsy? Very nice brushes. We have some Violution Overnight Retinol Serum. This is a safe science, vegan, and cruelty-free. It minimizes the appearance of lines and wrinkles and intensifies, hydrates, and visibly plumps. It improves the look of firmness and helps protect the skin for free radicals. Soothes the surface of redness. Oh, Gypsy's bored with this because it's not for her. She still thinks it is. So this bottle is a full-size bottle. It has a little push pump thing here. So if you push it like this, it fills the pump up inside. And there's a little dropper that you use. It smells very pleasant. Now we have a YC Collection Island Liner Duo. And Gypsy thinks these are all treats for her. It's San Juan and La Para. Gypsy, you're beautiful enough. You don't need makeup, and you're too young for makeup. So the one end has little smudge sticks on that side, so you can smudge your mask, your eyeliner. and they twist up and down so that you can put it down when you're not using it. This is the San Juan color, and this is the La Pera. So the San Juan is on the left, it's like a black, and the La Pera is like an ice shimmery. That's really pretty. I do like that. We have Aloe Enzyme Face Cleanser. Pineapple enzymes, aloe, and avocado oil. I'll be really disappointed if this doesn't smell amazing. Extraordinary power. 75 times more antioxidants than goji berries, 60 times more antioxidants than pomegranates, and 50 times antioxidants more than blueberries. I love blueberries. Blueberries are my favorite. I love blueberries. So the pineapple enzymes naturally exfoliate your skin for a smoother looking texture. The aloe reduces the appearance of puffiness with the ultimate skin soother. The avocado oil seals in all-day moisture and prevents post-cleanse tightness.
So you can eat that stuff?
I think I can eat it. It sounds really delicious. You gently lather on your skin, rinse away the impurities, and follow with luminizing face moisturizer. So here's the bottle. I think Gypsy approves. She thinks it's a treat. This is why, you know, we have a nice like studio looking place that we can do our videos, but we don't get this right here. And this is what our channel is truly about. These beautiful little cats. So a lot of times I'll do it right here with my legs propped up because this is what matters. Gypsy girl. Ooh. Psst, psst, psst. Hello. So she thinks she needs to smell this. Do you approve, Gypsy? Does it smell good to you?
It doesn't smell like chicken liver.
It doesn't smell like chicken liver, like your treats. It doesn't smell like pineapple, but it doesn't have a bad smell. And Bella, she just doesn't really care. All right, the last thing we have in the box, girls. You know this is a beauty box. Oh, Bella says, I don't need beauty. Is Wander in Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. So here's a little clip of the back. And let's open this up. So it's out of the box, and let's see what we got. Ooh, those are really pretty colors. Look at that. Blossom, Petal, Dawn, Suede, Latte, Slip, Fawn, Cashmere, and Haze. And it also has a mirror up top for you to see. So these are really pretty colors. So here's a little swatch test. Blossom, which I really love. Petal, Dawn, Suede, and Latte. And I like the Dawn too. I like the shimmery but neutral. And then on this side, we have the Slip, the Fawn, the Cashmere, the Haze, and the Smoke. Again, I really am loving the fawn color and the haze color, and the smoke is really nice too. So these are really good natural colors. So if you'd like, you can pause this video and scan this to learn about the 5 products that was inside this box. I'm not a huge beauty person, don't wear a lot of makeup, so they will explain this much more better than I will.
You're a huge beauty person. You're just naturally beautiful.
But here is the Ipsy Glam Bag BoxyCharm Icon Box. And Ipsy and Gypsy. What a beautiful thing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. This little girl right here, it buys her lots of treats. And she just loves those treats. Thanks, everyone. See you next time.